This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about tasting spoons, specifically these adorable little fish-shaped tasting spoons, which you can see here. It's a nice white porcelain spoon that has just a little twist to it, evoking that kind of fish shape, right? Which makes for a nice, sleek, stylish display, but also an easy handle to pick up, right? So these are great to use as tasting spoons if you're going to be doing a nice little tasting menu where everything is one bite, for things like tapas or single bite hors d'oeuvres, or even desserts. They're also fantastic because of that nice little bowl shape for holding a little bit of sauce, dip, garnish, or something of that nature to display alongside other dishes. So they're useful and versatile. They're a beautiful white porcelain, which is durable and chip resistant, and they're about 4 inches long by an inch and a third and 1.6. So they're a wonderful size, right? They're great for caterers and restaurants, or even just at home for your next cocktail party. And I love the idea of maybe plating up sushi and then using these for things like a little bit of wasabi and pickled ginger to serve alongside to guests. So they're a great versatile piece to have on hand for a variety of different little single bite options, whether those be sweet or savory, or just for displaying garnishes and sauces alongside other things.